being that dickhead.
Okay! Hello!
Smash the pussy!
Okay, whatever. No, it's okay.
Go die!
I was retarded as shit. What was she doing?
Did any of you see that skit? I forgot the dude's name. All I know is that he was wearing like a green suit.
Green eggs and ham?
I love
No,
that.
he was
Wait,
wearing a
what?
green suit. How would you feel if like your IS, you called your ISP and they said, well, would you put the ward down? And they just hung up on you?
That'd be one of those moments you're just like, okay, I'm fucking done with life.
So PM.
I was like, oh no, I'm going to die. Oh, hello. Me and my friend would like to have a word with you.
Okay, would you like to hear the a jurisdiction about our Lord and Savior Gates? Oh look, it's a blue buff! Oh shit!
Ah, rip. Rip
Yo,
and winkle that
Gates, I
shit.
need help!
Nope.
Oh,
Rip
Oh,
and
it's
winkle.
coming.
never mind. Oh, thank you for the kill though, Leeson.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
I got the portal. I got the vagina portal.
There's so many fucking people midlight now. Holy crap.
That's alright, we're gonna take about
Oh, hello, man.
Could just be.
My game.
Holy shit! Holy shit, Moon! Fucking 5 people! What?
Man, they really
I
want you
need,
guys.
I need
There was
bot lane gets
5
the
people
peaceful
in that
part.
one bush! Holy shit!
Uh-oh.
Okay, yeah! Record!
Oh, hold on.
Yeah, I'm going bot lane. Fuck this.
Fucking Moon.
Dude, look, now you've beaten Ezreal. What the fuck?
Oh
Now
my
they
god,
think
his
they
house
can
is
win.
fucking soloing over there.
Tactical feeding.
That's a good name
What
for
the
it.
fuck was that?
Not even gonna lie.
Oh shit!
I don't know. Ask
Ready?
your
Ready? I'm
father.
gonna fucking ult the dragon too. Watch out! Yeah, yeah!
It's not even spawned yet!
They're. Ah, damn it.
Oh, that's you.
It's just
That's you.
spawned!
Oh,
What the
shit.
fuck?
Ow.
Diana's coming in now.
Okay,
guys.
there's no way of doing anything with this.
I mean, we got dragon.
Bushes.
Alright,
Here
go
you
B. Go B. Go B. Go B. Go B.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ah! I did!
You're screaming.
I don't know I'm laughing at it. That motherfucker's screaming.
Look at my vaginas.
Oh my god, what kind of vagina opens like that? Ew.
Fuck.
It's aliens.
Behind you, fags.
Hello.
What the fuck was that, dude?
Holy shit! What the fuck has come in
Maximum disrespect. Maximum disrespect.
I don't know how you missed that binding.
Oh my god!
I was a time.
Like, I thought it had ignite for some reason, so I just like fucking like pressed it and I saw it hooked up for you. I'm like, oh.
Oh, that's what that button does.
I fucking did it.
Well, you should have ulted Ezreal.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? What goes through an autistic kid's head?
Let me get stacks. I'm not gonna be able to carry your fat ass if you keep this up.
Bitch, you see me? I am not fat. Look at this. I work hard to have a skinny ass body with no tits.
Dude, you're anorexic!
I know, and I have no tits, alright?
Fucking bulimic fat ass.
That's a thing now.
I'm a bi-gender fluid attack helicopter.
They see, I know.
Guys, America, you have to come in. We have to hold the gates. America, please. We're gonna lose
America.
otherwise.
America, what are you doing?
America.
I'm a god! Oh,
Alright, that's it.
No, not this bullshit! This fucking retarded champion! Holy, she's scratching my ass cheeks!
I got it,
Holy
no,
shit.
No, you ruined the ult. You ruined the ult. I had to go right perfectly.
Dude, your health doesn't do jack shit anyway.
Alright, boys.
Everyone, let's focus the thresh.
Ryzukage, why are you the most useless pile of shit ever?
Look, they fucking focus me. Why don't you focus the fucking Diana, not the fucking thresh?
Because you walk into melee range when you fucking autistic fuck.
Motherfucker, I'm going in the range. When I click on them, they walk.
I'm done with this fucking game. Okay, alright, what's in there? Fuck it, okay.
I can't help it if she walks around the whole fucking team and just cues me and
You
just fucking
walked
goes
right
in for a
into
pump.
her.
She walked
She didn't-
around
she
me
didn't-
and cued.
She didn't even have to fucking ult you
Yes,
because
she
you just walked right up to her like,
did.
here I am!
Ah,
Yeah, here I am!
watch it next time.
Here's
Watch
my
it again.
anus!
No.
Yeah, here's my
It's all
anus! I
yours,
spread it
Alicia.
wide!
No.
It's all yours!
It's all yours.
Dig in!
Bon appetit.
Why do you get melee range?
Because I'm a fucking tank, you big
No,
dog!
you aren't, you fucking liar.
Leave my ice
You
house
imagine
alone!
Nasus ranged Q? Holy shit. Moon, will today be the day we are heroes?
No.
Carry on my legacy, my son!
Oh, you gotta be fucking kidding me.
My
Okay,
legacy!
time to push the games.
My legacy! My legacy! My legacy!
Yo, Masa.
Malaysia Airlines!
Holy.
What the fuck?
Right here, fuck on the shitty airport. Oh,
Permission to land in you.
oh, the shitty
Permission to land
airline.
in your ass, Ryzukage. How about you try being useful?
Nope. Yes.
Oh, will this look good here? I don't know.
Oh my, let's go. Oh, it's out, Ryzukage!
Oh, bitches!
Guys, push. We gotta push.
Push!
And I miss you, but and I need you.
Take the towers. We'll
Hello, dude.
Go! Go! Fuck that Go! Tag it!
America's screaming in pain for the tower.